Hiya, Ben here for the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to episode 13 of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? 13 is the most popular two-digit number. With that in mind, you might want a calculator this week. You're definitely going to want a piece of paper to do some working out. Ready? Think of a number between 1 and 100. Any number between 1 and 100. Now double that number. Once you've done that, add 15. And now you're going to multiply your new number by 3. Once you've done that, add on 33. And divide your new number by 6. And as a final step, subtract your original number. As I said, this is episode 13, so some of you won't be surprised that the answer should be 13. Let us know what you thought. Have a good day. See you at the next one.